What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist Ed here, and we are on our 6th day of Vlogmas. And I want to give a special shout out to someone who watches my content, Lawrence D. Codes, who also covers computer science and mostly on the developer end or developer advocate. So I'm gonna put a link in this video to his channel so you can go and check his shit out and subscribe. That's my one cuss word for the day. Try not to cuss as much. So this is gonna be a quick vlog here because I was thinking about this while watching JoJo the creator, another JoJo the Techie, another creator who is about to turn on memberships on a YouTube channel. So I won't be doing that on my channel because I only have limited subscriber base and a limited amount of watch time. So what I'm gonna do is something a little different. So you know I have another channel called Error Prone and Savage Scientist. So what I'm gonna do is videos on Savage Scientist and Error Prone will not really change, but Error Prone will now become, the videos on Error Prone. So let's say I have video 1, video 2, video 3, and some arbitrary video here. In order to watch these videos, because they will be set to private if you go to them on Error Prone or unlisted. So the only way you'll be able to watch these videos is through a special playlist on Savage Scientist that's gonna have the name Error Prone. And there I will put links to specific videos for those who decide to watch my channel. And this might decide to become part of a paid subscription model to my channel once I become monetized. Then you'll have access to this. So eventually I'm gonna put everything on Error Prone. I'm gonna set this stuff to private, and I'm gonna start putting new stuff out. So new content will be on Error Prone. So Error Prone will be mostly experimental stuff that does not have a place here on Error Prone. So on Savage Scientist, videos that are out of the scope of programming and computer science. Like if I decide to do a video on driving to California, then that video will be on Error Prone because it's experimental and it's stuff that doesn't have a place on Savage Scientist. So I would like to know what you think about this new model that I'm about to roll out on my channel going forward. So I have videos such as the one where my windshield got smashed trying to do a dash cam review. I have another video on that probably could have made it on Savage Scientist, but a video when I was working at LSU, Louisiana State University, as a janitor, and one of my fellow janitors laughed at me when I told her I'm a computer scientist, I have a computer science degree, blah blah blah. At the end of the video, I did this wicked evil laugh, letting her know, hey, I'm already hired into another position. So that's another little video that you could check out. And I'm not here to promote any of my other videos because this is Vlogmas, and I wanna give thanks to some of the people who watch my videos.